how to change your Fortnite name in Chapter 4 Season 1. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this very quick video. Now if you search this up over here, you get a million of these videos that all look the same and that all do the exact same, stretching it out to 8 minutes in order to get that ad revenue, but they only show it all the way at the end, which is very dumb. So I'm going to show you guys that very fast. So all you basically want to do is simply search for Epic Games over here. You go to Epic Games. Then on the top right, you will have to sign into your account. Now I've already done that, so I'm simply going to click on account over here. So over here, once you're in your account settings, you can already see display name. And that is your Epic Games name or your Fortnite name or whatever you want to call it. So all you basically want to do is click on this this added button. It says, please note, if you change your Epic Games display name, you can change it again for 2 weeks after you confirm this name. So simply click on here, new display name, confirm display name, accept the terms, simply click on confirm, and that is all there is to it. So all these other bullshit videos that stretch it out to 8 minutes and only explain it like in the last 30 seconds, you don't need to watch that. It's very easy to do. So I hope this super quick video helped you out, and I'll see you in the next video.